Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this amazing vanilla pudding cake. First, take a saucepan and on the stove. Add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water and cook it on low flame until it is caramelized. And after cooking for 3-4 minutes on low flame, you can see it is fully caramelized. When the caramel color becomes like this, you should immediately off the stove so that it doesn't become burnt. Now our caramel is ready. Now transfer it to a mold. Now add 1 liter of water in rice cooker bowl. Boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we are going to off the rice. Now take a mixing bowl and now add 3 large egg which has a room temperature. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Now add 1 cup of milk and then just give it a mix. Now our pudding milk is ready. Now we are going to pour it on top of the caramel. We are also going to strain it so that there is no lumps in the middle. And now keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl and add 2 eggs which has a room temperature. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Beat it until it has a foamy consistency on low speed. And you should always beat it on low speed for 4 to 5 minutes, then it will become a perfect consistency. And then it will have a perfect consistency like that. And now add 1 tablespoon of oil plus 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Again beat it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add some dry ingredients. Add half cup of maida, half tablespoon of baking powder plus 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, plus add a pinch of salt and sieve them. And then mix them gently with folding methods. Mix it with folding methods until it has no lumps. And pour the batter in the pudding milk. Place the mold on a trivet. In the rice cooker, which water we have boiled it sooner, that one we are using. Now steam it for 20 to 25 minutes in the rice cooker. After 25 minutes, it is steamed well. After the pudding cake is steamed well, take it out of the rice cooker and wait for it to cool down. After cooling it down, put it in the refrigerator if it is possible for 2 or 3 hours so that it tastes very yummy. After taking out of the refrigerator for 2 hours, and then we are going to demold it and serve it. You can see how beautiful and yummy it is looking. You can see the inside how perfect it is, and it is also very delicious. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.